Convert the following expression to polar form. Okay. Two negatives. Gross. And fractions too. Negative 1/2 is 1.5. So negative 1.5 minus, well, that's going to be 3.3 repeating I. Okay. So first things first, let's draw this guy down. Imaginary, real. We got negative 1.5 over here. Well, let's do it with the bigger one. So negative 3. So let's put 3 right here. Okay, so that's negative 3.3. And then we have, if that's 3, then 1.5 is about here. So negative 1.5. Okay, cool. So there's our vector. Right there. Our angle, we can measure either way. I'm going to use a positive angle. So there's our angle there. We could measure it from the negative side either. So also, now the angle how I'm going to get it here is I'm going to use my tan, my trusty tan function, but I'm going to use the relative angle here. I'll call that angle alpha. Okay, and then I'll just add pi to it, or 180 degrees. Okay, because I know that this distance here is pi, right? And the whole distance is 2 pi. So we'll just add pi to it at the end. So here we go. So alpha is going to be equal to opposite, which is going to be tan inverse of 3.3 over 1.5. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, so that's going to be alpha. And then my r distance will be equal to the square root of 3.3 minus, you know, you don't have to put it in the calculator, but it's good to show it that you are taking numbers from the piece of paper and not just willy-nilly, you know. And now, as I'm going to do this in my calculator, I'm probably going to do it like super crazy here because I want to be completely accurate. So 3.3 is actually 3. It's going to be bracket open 3 plus 1 divided by 3 bracket closed. So that's what the actual number is. That's going to give me 3.3 repeating divided by what am I divided by 1.5 bracket closed equals. So I'm going to get 1.148. Seems a little high, doesn't it? Let's just check. It just seems it's 1.148. It seems high. It has to be. It's going to be above 45 degrees. So what's 45 degrees? 45 degrees is pi divided by 4. So it's above that for sure. And pi divided by 2 is going to be 90 degrees. 1.57. Yeah, I guess. Okay, no, I'm cool with that number. Just seemed a little high. And now we're going to do this one. So 3.3, or 3 plus 1 divided by 3 is 3.3 repeating. Square that plus the 1.5 squared. And now we're going to square root answer. And we're going to get 3.655. Let's put 5. Let's put 3.6. Okay, so that's cool. So that's alpha, but that's not what I want. I want to actually have theta. So theta is going to be equal to negative pi minus 1.148. Okay, that's what theta will be equal to, right? Because this is negative, and then this is negative as well. Wait, what? No, it's positive. What am I talking about? For some reason, yeah, it's positive. Positive pi, and then positive 1.48. Yeah, I don't know why I just thought that's negative for some reason. Anyways, okay, so pi plus 1.148 is equal to 4.2, let's go 29. Okay, there it is. So there's our answer. Z is going to be equal to 3.66 e to the 4.29